Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify for embedded app integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Shopify login URL, which is https://www.shopify.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Shopify login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once all the information is filled in, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. For embedded app integrations, navigate to the Apps section from your dashboard. In this section, you can view all installed apps along with their integration options. If you need to install a new app, click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. Search for the app you wish to integrate into your Shopify store. Once you find the desired app, click on it to view its details. To initiate the installation, click the Add App button associated with the app. Follow any prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, return to the Apps section of your admin dashboard. Locate your newly installed app and click on it to access the integration settings. Carefully follow any setup instructions provided by the app for successful integration. Make sure to save any changes you make during this process. If necessary, revisit the app's support documentation for additional guidance. You've successfully logged into Shopify and integrated your desired embedded app. Now, you can take full advantage of the features offered by the app. Continue to explore and customize your Shopify store as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.